The layouts that look expensive usually have one thing in common: they establish trust through clean organization. Today, how to create professional content layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Start with a soft beige background and apply a subtle gradient for depth. Insert one large rectangular frame near the center and upload your primary image. Adjust the crop carefully so the main subject becomes the visual focus. Add 3 supporting frames around the primary frame and place complementary images inside them. Apply soft shadow effects and reduce the blur settings until they appear natural. Duplicate the main frame